Bon bon bon! Welcome to Tokyo Tokimeki Channel. I'm Dr. Tokimeki, your guide to Japan's hidden wonders. Today, I've got something extraordinary, a puzzle box so mysterious, it's said only the chosen ones can open it. One glance might trick you into thinking it's just a wooden box. But trust me, there's more magic here than meets the eye. Ready to unlock the secrets of traditional Japanese craftsmanship and feel a rush of Tokimeki? Before we dive in, let's quickly recap what Tokimeki means and why this channel brings it to the world. Tokimeki is that surge of excitement and curiosity you feel when discovering something truly special. Here on Tokyo Tokimeki Channel, we unearth unique Japanese items, what we call hidden treasures, and share them with the world. Today's treasure is no exception, an ingenious puzzle box, the kind that blends artistry and mystery into one. Now, are you ready to discover why it's nearly impossible to find or open this box outside Japan? Let's jump right in and see if you can guess how many moves it takes to crack this secret. Feast your eyes on this wooden marvel. In Japan, we call it a himitsubako, or secret box. Outside Japan, it's extremely rare. If you find one, it's often sold at sky-high prices. Talk about exclusive! That exclusivity has made puzzle box fans around the globe obsess over it. So here's our first question. How many slides do you think are needed to open this particular box? A. 6 moves, B. 12 moves, or C. A jaw-dropping 54 moves? We'll reveal the answer soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, let's explore the legend behind its creation. It might give you some clues. Crafted through centuries of Yoshiji Zaiku, or traditional marquetry, these puzzle boxes combine artistry with secrecy. Legend has it that an old master once made a box so complex, even he forgot how to open it. Another story says a foreign explorer spent 6 months trying to crack one of these, then claimed Japan must have wizards. Real or myth, the bottom line is, this box is a testament to incredible skill, mystery, and a dash of magic. Now, shall we see how people abroad react when they first encounter such a rare treasure? Look at these social media comments. What is this box? I want one! Truth is, it's nearly impossible to get your hands on a genuine Japanese puzzle box if you live overseas. And if you do find one, the price can be astronomical. Why? Because authentic craftsmanship is rare. Consider yourself lucky if you ever lay eyes on one in person, let alone open it. Next, let's take a closer look at how the box slides, and I'll throw in another quiz to keep you on your toes. Here's your second challenge. Which part do you think moves first? A. The top panel, B. The right side, or C. A hidden corner you can't even see yet? Let me give you a tiny hint. Sometimes the most obvious panel isn't the right one. If you guess wrong, you'll be stuck fiddling around in circles, just like I was the first time. Let's see if you guess correctly as we slide the first piece. Observe closely. One subtle push, and the entire panel shifts just a few millimeters. Then, another side slides open, and another. The sequence is almost like a dance. Once you figure out the pattern, it's strangely satisfying, like solving a grand puzzle in slow motion. Now, here comes the big moment. Bon bon bon! It's open! Wait, there's a smaller box inside? This is the true charm of Japanese craftsmanship, layered surprises. Before we reveal all its secrets, let's answer quiz. The correct number of moves is 12. And the advanced version? 54. This is why I call it Tokimeki. The thrill of each slide, the anticipation of the unknown, pure excitement. Honestly, not many people outside Japan get to feel this. That makes it even more special. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'd rate this puzzle box a solid 5 stars for sheer Tokimeki. Imagine owning something so exclusive that your friends might say, "Are you a puzzle master or a magician?" And that's exactly what keeps collectors and enthusiasts hooked, especially when it's nearly impossible to import. If you're thinking, "I need this in my life," well, I might be able to help. Drop a comment or send a DM, and let me see if we can arrange something even for overseas shipping. Once you receive it, why not film your own unboxing? I'd love to see your reaction when you finally crack it open. The Tokyo Tokimeki community loves sharing breakthroughs, especially if it's something as rare as this puzzle box. Let's spread that Tokimeki to more people around the globe. Thank you for watching till the end. If you felt a spark of excitement, hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our next Tokimeki-filled discovery. Speaking of next time, I've stumbled upon something even more mind-boggling, a legendary puzzle rumored to top 100 moves. Can you imagine that? Stay tuned and keep your Tokimeki level high. Now, to wrap things up properly. Bon! It's open!